So what if you could actually earn money without constantly trading your time for it? Well, today we're going to break down that exact idea. Passive income. We'll explore 5 real-world blueprints you can use to start building your own path to financial freedom. Okay, let's dive right in. I mean, that's the ultimate dream, isn't it? The idea that your bank account could actually be growing even when you're not actively working. But, this is way more than just some catchy phrase. It's really the core promise of a totally different way of thinking about money.
So is this all just wishful thinking, or can you actually build systems that generate income for you around the clock? Well, the great news is it's absolutely a real possibility. It just takes a smart strategy and, yeah, a little bit of work up front.
And that's really what this is all about today. We're moving past the dream phase and getting into the actual plan. Because, financial freedom, it's not really about luck. It's about building a solid system, and every good system starts with a blueprint. Okay, so let's really unpack this definition for a second. The keywords here are system and minimal ongoing effort. Look, this isn't about getting something for nothing. It's about building a machine, an asset that does the heavy lifting for you after you've put in that initial work.
So, how do you build that machine? Well, we're about to look at 5 totally different blueprints. Just think of these as different paths you can take, and each one leads toward that same goal: more financial freedom. All right, here's our roadmap. We're going to explore dividend stocks, then YouTube automation, digital products, affiliate marketing, and finally, print on demand. Each one has a pretty unique approach, so let's get started with the first one.
So our first blueprint is a classic for a reason: investing in dividend stocks. Instead of just buying a stock and, hoping its price goes up, this method gives you a much more direct and regular return on your investment. And the concept here is so powerful. You're basically buying into established companies that share a piece of their profits directly with you, their shareholder. So think of a huge company, say Coca-Cola. They might send you a cash payment every 3 months just for being a part owner. It's not just about the stock going up, it's actual cash in your hand. Okay, up next, let's explore a path that uses modern tech in a really, really clever way. What if you could run a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face or even needing a camera? Well, that's the whole idea behind YouTube automation. This is where technology really opens up some new doors for people. The biggest hurdle for a lot of aspiring YouTubers being on camera is just completely gone. You can use AI tools to generate scripts and voiceovers, pair them with stock video clips, and create these totally faceless videos. And once they're up, those videos can earn ad revenue for years. Now, this third path is for anyone out there with a specific skill, a hobby, or some expertise they can package up and sell. It's all about creating a valuable digital asset one time and then being able to sell it over and over again. This is the magic of digital products. I mean, this is such a powerful concept. Whether it's an ebook with your favorite recipes, a set of design templates for social media, or maybe an online course that teaches guitar, you do the work upfront. And once it's created and for sale online, the whole system handles the sales and delivery automatically, 24/7. Create once, sell forever. Okay, but what if you're thinking, I don't really have my own product to sell, or I don't want to create one? Well, path number 4 has the solution for that: affiliate marketing.
The idea is super simple. You just act as a trusted recommender. So let's say you run a blog all about coffee. You might review a new espresso machine and include a special link to it. When one of your readers clicks that link and buys the machine, you earn a commission from the seller. And the best part? It's at no extra cost to the buyer. And that brings us to our 5th and final blueprint. This one lets you sell actual physical products without ever having to touch inventory or ship a single box. It's called print on demand. This is for all you creative people out there. You come up with a cool design for a t-shirt or a mug or a poster. You upload that design to a print on demand service. When a customer buys it, that service prints, packs, and ships the product for you. You just collect the profit. Seriously, no boxes piling up in your garage. Okay, so we've just covered 5 really powerful ideas. But, information is only useful if it leads to action. So let's talk about how to move from just hearing these ideas to actually doing something with them. And honestly, this might be the most important takeaway of all. It is so tempting to just research forever, trying to find that one perfect strategy. The advice here is simple: don't do that. Pick the one idea that really excites you the most and just start. Momentum is everything. So I'll leave you with this question.
After walking through these 5 blueprints, from traditional stocks to automated videos, which one sparks your interest? The very first step is just deciding. Thanks so much for joining me for this one.